Dear friends, empowering the weaker sections of the society is a great activity in a democratic society. In this unit, a three-wheeled revolution, we can see the valuable service of a great person, Irfan Alam. Irfan Alam, an entrepreneur who changed the lives of many people through his innovative enterprise. It is an interview with Irfan Alam. Irfan Alam, founder of Samman Foundation, a world famous social entrepreneur, always thinking about the welfare of the poor people, a great man of innovative ideas, a hard-working person with a high problem-solving skill, a man of great dreams, founder of Samman Foundation. Irfan Alam was the first person to introduce prepaid cycle rickshaws in India. Alam has built a family of over 1 lakh rickshaw operators across 9 states in India. Alam suffers to empower those at the bottom of India's social hierarchy have been recognized widely. He has won the Business Bazaar and the World Bank's Innovation Award. President Obama complimented Alam with the words, "You are doing a tougher job than me." First persons to introduce prepaid cycle rickshaws in India, empowered 1 lakh families in 9 states, effort to empower those at the bottom of India's social hierarchy have been recognized widely. He has won the Business Bazaar and the World Bank's Innovation Awards. What are the activities of Samman Foundation? The major activities of Samman Foundation: giving training on basic etiquette and traffic rules, making arrangements to get loan from banks, giving ID cards and uniform, giving accidental and health insurance, giving education to the family members of rickshaw pullers, making rickshaws as a mini shop. So these are the major activities of Samman Foundation: giving training on basic etiquette and traffic rules. What is C.K. Prahlad's idea on entrepreneurship? Irfan Alam firmly believes in C.K. Prahlad's idea that businesses can be successful by targeting the bottom of the pyramid. C.K. Prahlad's idea is that businesses can be satisfied only through focusing at the bottom level. Write a letter to invite Irfan Alam for inaugurating an entrepreneur club in your school. Place, date, from Naim address to Irfan Alam, Samman Foundation, Mumbai. Sir, I am a plus 2 student of GHSS Malgudi. We are going to start an entrepreneur club in our school. It is a great opportunity for us. We are inviting your esteemed presence in the inaugural function. Please give us a convenient date for it. Thanking you, yours faithfully. What are the qualities of an entrepreneur? The qualities of an entrepreneur: hardworking. Self-confidence is another quality. Perseverance is another quality. Creative thinking, determination, innovation, patience, emotional intelligence, courage, leadership, and experience. These are the major qualities of an entrepreneur: hardworking, self-confidence, perseverance, creative thinking, determination, innovation, patience, emotional intelligence, etc. Suggest some useful modifications to redesign rickshaws. Write an email to Irfan Alam. It is irfanalam@gmail.com. Sir, I have heard that you are planning to make more modifications in the rickshaws for better service. So I am sending the following suggestions. Display board for health tips. That is very, very important. Then introduce Wi-Fi facilities in your rickshaw. Then telephone facility. A small waste box. Important telephone numbers. Then mini ATM facility. These are my suggestions. Please consider my suggestions. Thanking you. So, useful modifications to redesign Riches. It is an email to Irfan Alam. Display board for health tips, Wi-Fi facilities, etc. Questions for an interview with Irfan Alam. What are your possible questions for interview with Irfan Alam? Narrate a challenging experience in your life. Say about your future plans. Who is your role model? Why do you select this field? What is your message to us? These are important questions for an interview with Irfan Alam. 5 questions are there. Irfan Alam says it is important to take a risk to achieve your dreams. Comment on this statement. It is a great statement by Irfan Alam. We can achieve our dreams only by taking risks in life. Without risk, there is no success. Risk helps to distinguish the positives and negatives around us. It is a great chance to learn new things. It will increase our self-confidence and self-esteem. Risk can develop our interpersonal and intrapersonal relations. Risk-taking is behind all developments in the world. Irfan Alam is an excellent example in this world. So dear friends, it is an attempt to go through the important questions of that particular unit. Thank you. Have a nice day.